1989, I walked through the doors. I came in a normal working class girl from Reading with a thirst for learning and curiosity. That's it, you can't get rid of me now.
When I was walking across that graduation stage, I felt a real sense of accomplishment.
Pride.
Trepidation.
Relief.
The first ever time I came to Portsmouth, it was the most miserable day before I got to that point, and I drove in across the M275. The sun was shining.
It was quite daunting. I hadn't been in a place with that many people, but that soon flipped around because you realise everyone else is more scared than you are.
I really just felt like it was made for me because I was finally great at something.
My fondest memories of my time at Portsmouth have been the friendships that I've made.
It was great moving to a new city and experiencing a variety of different things.
You are encouraged to do more.
It taught me that I can do anything I put my mind to. I can juggle a degree and juggle interning and sport and radio.
I have really fond memories of just Portsmouth always being sunny and warm and just full of joy.
I've never dreamt that I would do so well.
The fact that Portsmouth were there and gave me the ability to achieve everything that I've ever wanted to achieve means so much to me.
I had a wonderful day graduating in Portsmouth.
Walking across the stage at Portsmouth Guildhall, it was overwhelming excitement, a little bit of nerves, but also a really overwhelming sense of achievement.
It was really nice to reflect with all of my friends and classmates.
People that got me through the degree, it was like really nice to go for a drink and get some food afterwards with them and go, look guys, like I wouldn't have done this without you, so let's go get a beer, like.
Since I graduated from Portsmouth, I haven't been able to keep away.
Incredibly, it's kind of been in my life over the last 25 odd years. It's kind of like family.
It seems like it's going to be a massive leap between finishing your studies and going out into the world of work.
It's okay to not know what's next.
There were times where I wanted to quit, or there were times where I felt like maybe I'm doing too much, maybe I should cut back.
If you can ride that feeling of discomfort, that's probably a really great place to be because you won't rush into something that perhaps isn't the career for you.
The careers and employability went above and beyond, and to know that they were there for 5 years after I finished university helped with the pressure of the real world.
Things do just fall into place.
I can do whatever I put my mind to. That's the impact that Portsmouth had on me.
I am incredibly proud to always be part of Portsmouth. It is part of my soul. It's part of who I am today. It's made me who I am today, and to be able to go back and keep giving back is great. Welcome to your alumni community.
Welcome to today's graduation ceremony. Before the ceremony begins, we have a few important notices. Graduands, please stay in your assigned seat, as that is the order in which you will process across the stage. A short way into the ceremony, there will be a video, at which point you will be escorted from the hall to begin your journey across the stage. As you cross the stage, you will shake hands with the presiding officer and the executive dean. If you don't wish to do so, please tuck your right hand inside the lapel of your gown and make the staff aware backstage. Your photograph will be taken as you shake hands with the presiding officer, so please look towards the camera briefly. In the event of an emergency, please follow the instructions from the Guildhall front of house team. The ceremony is about to begin. Please stand.
a day to celebrate the success of our graduates. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to this ceremony and to formally declare this congregation of the university open. Please be seated.
Chancellor, distinguished guests, families, friends, and most importantly, graduates, good afternoon. I am Professor Jamal Aid-Boudod, Executive Dean here at the University of Portsmouth, and it is truly a privilege to welcome you all to this celebration on behalf of the Faculty of Technology. Today isn't just a formality, it's a milestone, a special day. And I couldn't be prouder to share it with you, our graduates and the loved ones who helped you get here. Let me begin with this. Congratulations, you've done it. On behalf of the entire university, I want to say how proud we are of you. What you've accomplished is amazing. You've earned this. Every lecture, every late night, every early morning, every moment of doubt that you pushed through, it brought you here. And today, we celebrate not just a degree, but a journey. Graduation Day is a significant event in anyone's life. It is an occasion to enjoy, and one I am sure you were looking forward to from the moment you stepped into the university. Being here today is a testament of your hard work, perseverance, and strength of character. You've earned every moment of it. During your life at Portsmouth, you've been challenged, you've been stretched, you've grown. You've learned things that will stay with you for the rest of your life. Not just facts and figures, but how to think critically, how to work with others, how to ask better questions and search for better answers. And yes, I hope today brings you happiness, maybe even a little relief, but I also hope it brings you a spark, a sense of what is possible, because this is not the end, this is the beginning of something new. Now, before you rush off into that new chapter, I want you to do something. Take a moment. Take a deep breath. Look around you, at your classmates, at your lecturers, your families in the crowd. Remember this feeling. Let it remind you of everything you've achieved, and let it remind you of who you are. You are graduates of the University of Portsmouth. You are thinkers and doers. You spent years deepening your knowledge, enhancing your skills, challenging the status quo. You've become creative, independent minds, ready to contribute something meaningful to this world. But let me be clear, learning doesn't stop here. Life is a continuous education. You will keep growing, keep evolving, keep asking the hard questions. And if you're doing it right, you will keep being humbled by how much there is to learn. And in this next chapter, wherever it takes you, I hope you'll remember this. You matter. Your voice matters. The ideas you bring, the empathy you show, the responsibility you carry, these are the things that make our community stronger. The world needs people like you. People who are informed, thoughtful, and courageous. People willing to build bridges instead of walls. People willing to lead with character. Now, I want to take a moment to speak directly to those of you graduating from the Faculty of Technology. You've been part of something remarkable. This is a faculty where theory meets application, where ideas are tested, refined, and turned into solutions. Over the past year, we've invested close to 6 million into cutting-edge new facilities in robotics and automation, renewable energy, and space technologies. That investment is already transforming our thinking about how we teach, how we learn, and how we discover. But we're not stopping there. The university has committed more than 100 million to build a new home for this faculty, a space designed for collaboration, for innovation, and for bold ideas. A space where engineers and scientists and coders can work together on the challenges of the 21st century. And make no mistake, this faculty is already pushing boundaries. Our researchers are making breakthroughs in AI, cybersecurity, gravitational waves, battery modeling, environmental solutions, and quantum technologies. And our students, they're not just satisfied, they're thriving. They're living here with the skills, the knowledge, and the confidence to step into professional roles and hit the ground running. So, as you are graduating from this faculty today, know this: you are part of a legacy of innovation, and you are ready to help shape the future. I would also like you to recognize and remember the importance of the value that you bring to society as Portsmouth graduates. You have the ability to generate new ideas, seize opportunities, and bring original thinking to the groups and communities to which you belong. You have a responsibility to give back to society, to contribute as responsible, respectful, and informed global citizens. You will be an asset to your future employers and to society. Never forget this. I am immensely proud of you, and I hope your friends and families are. Above all else, you too should be proud of yourself for everything that you have achieved. But while today is about you, your efforts, your achievements, it's also about the people who helped you get here. None of us walk this road alone. So I want to take a moment to recognize those who stood beside you through this journey, your peers, your classmates. They've been in the trenches with you. They shared the pressure of deadlines, the joy of successes, the long nights and uncertain mornings. I hope that many of them will be friends for life. And then there are the brilliant lecturers and support staff here at the university. They've pushed you, they've challenged you, they've demanded your best, not because it was easy, but because they believed in you. They created an environment that will help you grow. They prepared you not just for exams, but for life. And I think they deserve a proper round of applause for that. And above all, let's take a moment to recognize your greatest supporters, your families, your friends, your mentors, the ones who believed in you even when you were not sure you believed in yourself. Today is also their day. So if you are able, I invite all graduates to stand, turn to your supporters, and join me with all the energy and gratitude you've got in giving them the applause they deserve. Can I ask all the graduates to stand up, please? And can you have my permission to make as much noise as you can? This is the only time I will allow you to do that. Go on. Thank you. Be seated. Let's be honest. The world you're graduating into isn't easy. We're living in uncertain times. Economic instability, political polarization, conflicts that break our hearts, a climate in crisis. It can feel like the world is spinning too fast, like the problems are too big. And yet, I look out at all of you and I see something powerful. I see hope. I see talent. I see a generation of graduates who are not afraid to roll up their sleeves and get to work. And in you, I see the future, not as something to fear, but as something to shape. Because our society needs you, our communities need you, our future depends on people like you, educated, compassionate, and resilient, willing to step up, speak out, and reach back to lift others as you climb. And when you leave this place, I hope you carry the University of Portsmouth with you, not just in your credentials and CV, but in your values and in your heart. I hope this community has challenged you and inspired you to be bold, to be curious, to be relentless in pursuit of what matters. You are part of a university that's making a real difference, where research tackles the big questions of our time and teaching holds the highest standard of excellence. That's not just something to be proud of, it's a legacy you are now a part of. So stay connected. Our Alumni Association, our Careers and Employability Services, they are here for you, not just today, but for the next 5 years and beyond. So don't think this is the end of your relationship with us, but the beginning of a lifelong connection. And I'll ask one more thing of you, something I know you're capable of. Give back. Reach out to the next wave of students. Mentor someone. Inspire someone. Help someone who reminds you of yourself a few years ago. Because success isn't just about where you end up, it's about how many people you bring along with you. And as you go forward into the world, into your careers, into your communities, I hope you carry with you the values of this university. Be responsible, be open, be ambitious. Don't wait for someone else to fix what you know is broken. Step up, speak out, lead with kindness, and never ever settle for less than your best. Congratulations, class of 2025. We are proud of you and cannot wait to see what you do next. Thank you and well done. Ladies and gentlemen, we now come to the formal part of the ceremony, and I invite the Chancellor and the Academic Registrar to make the formal declarations.
Chancellor, as Academic Registrar, I certify that all those presented at this ceremony have successfully completed their studies and have satisfied all conditions and requirements of the University.
By the authority of the University, I confirm that all those who are duly qualified are hereby admitted to the awards for which they are presented.
Chancellor, it is our custom as a university to present an award to the family of a student who died during their time with us. The award is in recognition of the progress they had made and in their studies, as well as their contribution to the life of the university. This year, we are presenting an award studied in the subject of higher education in engineering and technology to Charles Phillips. Charlie's times in the university left a lasting impact on both staff and students. He was consistently polite, respectful, and appreciative, qualities that stood out even during challenging times. It was clear to all who knew him that he cared deeply about his place on the course, valued his friendship, and earnestly hoped for things to work out. His quiet strength, thoughtfulness, and resilience will not be forgotten. And this award stands as a testament to the positive mark he made in our community. His award will be collected by his mother Helen and sister Annabelle. I thank everyone for your kind response. Our students will now process. They will be congratulated first by the Chancellor and then by myself as the Executive Dean of the Faculty of Technology. We will have a short film of congratulations from colleagues across the university while our students get ready for their procession.
Happy graduation day! What a journey and what an achievement.
Your hard work has paid off and I wish you all the best of luck.
It's with great pleasure that I'm recording this message today to wish our graduates every success in the future.
It's an amazing achievement. Your academic studies will have had lots of ups and downs, and to be here and to be celebrating is wonderful.
It's been a great pleasure to be able to support your aspiration and your career plan.
Today is the result of your determination, your resilience and your amazing talent.
Today is the first day of the rest of your life.
You have taken the first step towards a very bright future.
Never be afraid to follow your dreams. Remember, you're the only person that can fulfill them.
We know you take many happy memories away with you and you'll always be a part of Portsmouth.
Go forth and conquer. Your journey to transform the world starts right now.
Congratulations!
Welcome to your alumni community.
Good luck to all of you who are graduating this year. Have a fantastic future career.
Congratulations from the shop!
On behalf of all the placements team, we want to wish you all the best and congratulations on such an amazing achievement.
Really chuffed you finished your degree and I wish you all the best for the future.
Congratulations on your graduation!
Woo! Well done, everyone.
Congratulations on graduating.
Chancellor, I present to you the following successful candidates from the School of Architecture, Art and Design. For the award of Bachelor of Arts in Photography, Mariana Robbins. Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of students from the School of Architecture, Art and Design. Chancellor, I present to you the following successful candidates from the Institute of Cosmology and Gravitation. For the award of Doctor of Philosophy in Cosmology and Gravitation. For a programme of research in Lambda and CDM according to galaxy lensing, Daniel Ballard. For a programme of research in the rate of extreme coronal line emitters and their relation to tidal disruption events, Joseph Callow. For a programme of research in large and rare perturbations from inflation, Joseph Jackson. For a programme of research in improving the detection of gravitational wave signals in real time, Arthur Tolley. Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of students from the Institute of Cosmology and Gravitation.
Chancellor, I present to you the following successful candidate from the School of Electrical and Mechanical Engineering for the award of Higher National Certificate in Mechanical Engineering, Daniel Boutroy. Linuel Castigado. Jack Day. Mark Scudder. Matthew Velander. Emi Vepuyo. And for the award of Foundation Degree of Engineering in Aviation Engineering Management, Lauren Broadbent. Thomas Rose. Charlie Wells. Carl Young. And for the award of Bachelor of Engineering in Aviation Engineering Management, Alexander Cox Topping. Kirsty Cox Topping. For the award of Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering, Pascal Chimezi Amiachi. Katarzyna Antos. Joseph Barlett. Alex Bennett. David Clark. Lloyd Collins Page. Harry Croft. Travis Dove. Stuart Dodd. Jake Donaldson. Craig Evans. James Freeborn. Joseph Gibbons. Harrison Hale. And with the school prize for the best student on a degree apprenticeship program, Matthew Haskett. Aaron Haywood. Victory Ijie. Ehijie Kenneth Iyamu. Neil Jack. And with the IET prize, with the IET Manufacturing Engineering Student Prize, Nathan Jackson. Stuart Jones. Elias Kim Astra. Peter Lewis. Owen Lingard. Marcus Maiden. Christopher Marsh. Jamie Maskins. Ifeanyi Edika Mba. Sean McDay. And with the IMECI Best Project Certificate, BEng Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering, Craig Merritt. Stephen Morey. Alexander James Nicholas. Curtis Omen. John Parker. Benjamin Sanders. And with the IMECI Best Student Certificate in BEng Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering, Ryan Steedman. Thomas Stokes. Jake Van Ekman. Ethan Van Nekek. Louis Walsh. Matthew West. Glenn Wickfield. Andrew Wilder. Alicia Wyatt. George Wyatt. Kaylin Wingard. And for the award of Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering, Muhammad Saleh Al-Hassim. Mustafa Ahmed Hamdi Abdul. Abdullah Aboid. Emmanuel Adamu. Hussein Uthman Farouk Al-Safi. Abdulaziz Jassim Al-Dawish. Hussein Alashmi. And for a program in research, Abdullah Jasmine Al-Ansari. Abdullah Fahad Al-Kabi. Hamad Alashmi. Abdulaziz Alesemi. Abdullah Alasmi. Abdul Rahman Alasmi. Abdul Rahman Hassan Al-Mudu. Jose Ali. Muhammad Ali. Abdulaziz Al-Muteri. Zaid Imad Bassam Al-Wesi. Navid Ayubi. Al-Josha Ban. Abdullah Boreki. Harry Boyce. Nathan Bream. Tom Brettel. Ethan Bronsit. Charles Chadwick. Rohan Chetri. And with the school prize for the best student on the undergraduate program, Oliver Clyde. Alfie Coker. William Cole. Job Dallas. Carp Dave. Ali Ahmed Mohsin Al-Salawi. Abdelrahman Khalid Ibrahim Al-Shafi. Kay Fenwick. Aaron Forbes. Ryan Forrest. Stanley Gordon. Sergio Gurung. Andrew Joe Mensah. Ali Saleh Habona. And just to confirm, it's with the IMECI Best Project Certificate in BH Mechanical Engineering for Ali Habona. Harry Hallett. Cho So Han. Jack Hartley. Lorenzo Hickmeyer. Musa Marwan Musa Jazzy. Jacob Horton. Kester Hall. Jake James Flecknoe. Steve Kenfak. Brendan King. Carl Limoth. Owen Lee. Cameron Leader. Jaden Lomax. Kieran Luke. Fahad Al-Falakawi. Ethan Martinez Pugh. Ashley Maslin. Anna Mateo Frager. Kerr McCall. Curtis Aki. Matthew Mina. Yahya Muhammad. Victor Monkoon. Thomas Newton. Davis Mohingo Ngonzi. Alex Kiari Ngungi. Jack Notley. Adrian Ensereko. Benjamin Osborne. And with the school prize for the best project on an undergraduate program, Rachel O. Jack Pelu. Olade Jamiu Rasak. Eli Shimin. Robert Smith. Keshun Swan. Victor Tewusu. Lara Valles. Adetiyu Wardana. Tarun Abiesek Pereira Werasing Achige. And with the IMECI Best Student Certificate in BEng Mechanical Engineering, Anthony Willett. Yost William Reed. Jamie Wood. Jake Wujje. And for the award of Bachelor of Science in Product Design and Innovation, Morayulua Aderamola. Iris Bentley. Mia Condrin. And with the IMECI Best Project Certificate for BSc Product Design and Innovation, Thomas Holborn. Harry Lewis. Gregor MacLeod. And with the IMECI Best Student Certificate in BSc Product Design and Innovation, William Marshall. Abubakar Mohammed. Jay Patel. Shyam Patni. And with the annual IED prize, Katie Todd. And for the award of Master of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering, Bashir Abdul Rahman. Jason Amos. Robert Ace. Mason Carter. And with the school prize for the best student on an integrated master's program, Mateo Kiretsa. Alexander Eastwood. Samuel Fay. Harry Graf. Georgios Hajiyoye. And with the IMechE Best Student Certificate in Mechanical Engineering, Mateus Kulupi-Pihas. Thomas Lamb. And with the Frederick Barnes Wildrum Best Student Award, Ukne Menio Theatre. Andrew Mugerwa. Harry Pierce. And with the IMechE Project Award, Jed Pound. Mokluka Raman. Harvey Rawlings. Max Remington. Sean Rennie. Matthew Sayer. Jacob Victory. Cameron Wayne. And for the Award of Master of Science in Advanced Manufacturing, Rawat Eli Resiri Amino Biren. Anthony Olaniyi Duraldola. Alexander Goodenough. Arun Kutiyu George. And with the school prize for the best student on a postgraduate program, Islam Hassan Maju. Muhammad Kazi Mahabubul Islam Methune. Honoriode Churchill Omowe. Oluwafemi Oyesiji. Hasib Reham. Muhammad Salim Reza. Chathanya Sondra. Chi Kim Tam. Sajipan Velanthapila Le. For the Award of Master of Science in Biomedical Engineering, He Ma Tun. Denisha Chelsea Marie Kisto. Manish Vijay Padya. Nihat Pakada Thodi. Roger Boateng Safo. Gabriel Ibebechukwu Edelo. For the award of Master of Science in Mechanical Engineering, Zo Ted O. Timothy Benny. Go Bernard. Hardik Bafsa. Hardik Mahindrapuri Gose. Ray Winliang. Muhammad Asif Kamal. Ashe Kumar Kayakal Pidika. Ganesh Kumar Anjun Main. Sahin Matthew. Se Ong Mong Lee. Gothaman Mordi. Thomas Morris. Seth Neeng. Izuki Gospower Boso. Odediran Odeleo. Paras Podel. Pavsati Raul. Parish Bay Ashok Bay Sargara. Tarushan Shamunganathan. Fato Te Zatun. Vishnu Fijayan. Ted Nong Win. And for the award of Doctor of Philosophy in Electrical and Mechanical Engineering for a program of research in interrelationship between lean and green manufacturing practices towards achieving business performance and promoting sustainability, a study of manufacturing companies in Nigeria, Efolowa Emmanuel Elemere. And for a program of research in full-field structural and mechanical analysis of tendon-to-bone interface, Atusa Moayedi. Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of students from the School of Electrical and Mechanical Engineering.
Chancellor, I present to you the following successful candidates from the School of Mathematics and Physics. For the award of Bachelor of Science in Mathematics, Jesse Ashison. Matthew Borg. Benjamin Burrows. Dylan Kearney. Jake Chandler. John Hao Chen. And with the IMA Best Overall Mathematics BSc student, and also with the Mathematics Best Placement Diary, Amelia Cottle. Philip Horia Kalimanescu. Molly Dyer. Samuel Heath. Joseph Jeffrey. Aaron Lodge. Daniel Lucas. And with the IMA Mathematics Best Project Prize, Chloe Matthias. Andrei Nicolescu. Alfie Risk. Jago Sheck. Kamal Siut. Adam Smith. Toby Taylor. Elina Takar. Anthony Bickers. Louis Watson. And with the Graham Elliott Prize for overall contribution, Cameron Wiles. For the award of Bachelor of Science in Mathematics for Finance and Management, Kai Cutler. Liam Gerard. Joshua Kelly. For the award of Bachelor of Science in Mathematics with Statistics, Osman Ahmed. With the Barry Taylor Memorial Award, Jack Connolly. Kira Garner. Edward Holdsworth. Luke Mansfield. Now for the award of Bachelor of Science in Physics, Daniel Blackstock. Leonardo Martín Hilario Ferreira. Joshua Rain. Patrick Torrance. For the award of Bachelor of Science in Physics, Astrophysics and Cosmology, and with the Best BSc Project Prize, Shad Ahmed Sulaiman Abdullah Al Riami. Andrew Cattermole. Jed Hennessy. Andrew Leach. Daniel Lee. And with a Best BSc Student Prize and also a joint Best BSc Project Prize, Charlie Patterson. Lauren Peddle. Jake Purcell. Daniel Stevens. Catalina Weston. Well done. For the award of Master of Mathematics in Mathematics, Kieran Cook. For the award of Master of Physics in Physics, Michael Bailey. Ryan Cook. Owen Davies. Louis Dormer. Michael Fetisov Carden. Joshua Munton. And with the Best MPhil Student Prize, Gaith Musa. Now for the award of Master of Physics in Physics, Astrophysics and Cosmology, Kieran Britton. Hannah Coleman. Emily Coombs. Helena Jewig. And with the award of the David Matravers Prize, Samuel Helps. Daniel Tassi. And with the award for the Best MPhil Student, Ryan Ursel. Ahmed Vadidi. Maria Wills. Kai Wilson. Now for the award of Master of Science in Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Suban. Sakib Ahmed. Mary Oluremi Akinjopo. Alodin Al-Azad. Akash Hanumant Boite. Rohit Jalinda Bozale. Akshay Bhuvanendran. Arif Bozunia. Hugh Gale. Hari Krishnan Gopali Krishnan. Shoriful Islam. Prince Iwo. Mahedi Hassan Joy. Kartik Sandeep Kale. Chantal Camus Furgang. Kartik Karun. Akshay Kumar Anil Kirdat. Abhirash Manoa Kshiksagar. Abhirash Mavila. Sagar Kumar Mystery. Rash Kutbudin Miti Borivala. Kartika Mutu. Nivedan Nedumaran. And with the Best Student MSc Logistics and Supply Chain Management Prize, Adam Abugaka Nigelaruma. Obiora Nana Ozoani. Suraj Rajaram Patil. Abu Salah Raju. Balaji Shinde. Dilpreet Singh. Yash Rarindra Sonovane. Devrai Sriram. Abin Anil. Siravit Tientai. Arjun Varghese Jacob. And for the award of Doctor of Philosophy in Mathematics for a program of research in neural network surrogates for ultra-fast interference in lithium-ion battery models, Benjamin Ibrahimpour. Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of students from the School of Mathematics and Physics. Chancellor, I present to you the following successful candidates from the School of Civil Engineering and Surveying. For the award of Master of Science in Civil Engineering, Bhaskar Duhan. Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of students from the School of Civil Engineering and Surveying. Chancellor, I present to you the following successful candidates from the School of Electrical and Mechanical Engineering. For the award of Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering, Zenit Chekyoy Cheng. For the award of Postgraduate Diploma in Advanced Manufacturing, Uluvaseum Caleb Cole Onitri. For the award of Master of Science in Electronic and Electrical Engineering, Sakshi. For the award of Master of Science in Engineering Management, Charanjit Singh. Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of students from the School of Electrical and Mechanical Engineering. One more. Chancellor, I present to you the following successful candidates from the School of Mathematics and Physics. For the award of Master of Science in Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Abdul Aziz Saleh Hijazi. Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of students from the School of Mathematics and Physics and for today's ceremony.
Chancellor, I present to you Kai Wilson to respond to the University on behalf of the graduates.
Thank you. Chancellor, honoured guests, ladies and gentlemen, today is a day of celebration and reward as we reflect on the journey we've been undertaken at the University of Portsmouth and look ahead to the exciting future that awaits us. The opportunities the university has provided have been truly transformative. For many of us, working alongside esteemed institutions during our time at the university, like the Institute of Gravitation and Cosmology, has been a highlight, allowing us to use state-of-the-art technology and contribute to cutting-edge research. We are incredibly grateful to our academic and support staff, whose dedication, expertise, and passion for teaching has shaped our learning and helped us reach this milestone. Throughout our time here, we have been supported by a remarkable network of teams, from the wellbeing team to the chaplaincy and the engagement team. These groups have helped guide us through these challenges of academia and life, offering support when we needed it the most. Beyond the classroom, we've had a vast and vibrant range of diverse and unique societies to choose from, shaping our university experience, fostering a sense of community and collaboration that has been at the heart of our journey. As we stand here today, the university has given us far more than academic knowledge. It has taught us resilience, perseverance, and the power of working together. We have faced challenges and celebrated successes, and throughout it all, we have grown. not only as students, but as individuals, ready to take on the world. We came here as novice students, and we leave equipped with the knowledge and skills to face the future with confidence. On behalf of the graduates, I want to thank all of those at the University of Portsmouth who have helped shape us into who we are today and for preparing us for the journeys ahead. We are grateful for your unwavering support in guiding us towards our goals and for helping us become who we are today. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, graduates, I'm Karen Blackett and I have the immense privilege of being the Chancellor of the University of Portsmouth. Firstly, a massive congratulations on becoming a University of Portsmouth graduate. We have something in common. I'm also a graduate of this university. I graduated here in this very room in 1992. And I have very fond memories of that day. I especially remember my parents beaming with pride. They were first-generation immigrants from Barbados, and hence my graduation was a great achievement, not just for me, but for all three of us. Walking across the stage in the Guildhall, I felt immensely happy and relieved. But I also felt something else as soon as I walked down the steps on the other side of the stage. I felt nervous about what would come next. I thought I knew what I wanted to do, but I had no idea how to get there. You might be feeling that too. Maybe you're not sure where you want to go now, or, like me, you know, but you're not sure how to get there. Even if you have your first step lined up, you might still be apprehensive. That is entirely natural. Think back to the days before you started your degree and you walked into your lecture hall for the very first time. How were you feeling? Excited, but also worried or nervous about the work or the people? And look where you are now. You'll feel this time and again in life, at times of change and challenge. Excitement and anxiety are two sides of the same coin. Please let excitement win. The changes and challenges you'll experience keep life fresh and interesting and keep us learning. Twists and turns in the road make us look again at the scenery. And when we find one pathway closed, we learn to take a different route. Now, when I was finishing uni, I knew I wanted a career in advertising. And there I was, graduation day, 1992, with a degree in geography. I knew nothing about the advertising industry. I had no connections, and I knew no one that could help me find the right route in. So I researched. What areas could I work in? How do I get into the industry? I applied myself to finding the answers. And I applied to so many graduate training programs. And I applied to what felt like hundreds of entry-level jobs. And I got rejected more times than I can remember. I didn't give up. With each setback, I came back, flexed, and changed my approach. You need to have bounce-back ability. And yes, that is a new word. You need to learn and remember. Stop fixating on the destination. Start thinking about the skills that you've learnt. As part of my geography degree, I had completed a statistics module. When I saw an ad for a trainee media auditor, I thought statistics skills might get me in the door, and I was right. But at my interview, they saw something in me. They believed I had what it took to work in a different part of the industry, in media planning. And that's how I got started in the advertising industry. Was it plain sailing from there? No. In the early 90s, not many people in advertising looked like me. Despite the industry being 50-50 in terms of gender split, there weren't many women at the top, and there were no black women at the top at all. Most leaders had gone to a handful of universities and were networked and connected to each other. I could have given up and said, this doesn't look like a place for me. I can't see anyone that looks like me or has my background. But your career, like your life, isn't meant to be easy. Ultimately, it's what you make it. I firmly believe in persistence and resilience. Throughout your journey, you will experience what psychologists call learning dips. They are entirely natural. As you learn something new, your performance naturally dips. But as you get the hang of it, your performance starts to peak again. There will, of course, be things that go wrong, things that do not go to plan. When that happens, I want you to remember and repeat these words. Minor setback equals a major comeback. When something doesn't work, ask, what can you learn from it? That's how you come back stronger and do better, and I've learned that from experience. Over the past 30+ years, I've learned how to help what is my industry change. And the industry learned to do things differently. The world of advertising and marketing communications today is much more diverse than it was. Is my mission over? Am I done? Hell no. I am now a board member of Diageo, a top 10 FTSE 100 company. I've just joined the board of the British Fashion Council, and I'm a non-executive for the UK government for their Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office. My journey of learning and growth is ongoing. Here you are at the end of one learning journey, and let me tell you, you'll never stop learning. Today is not an ending, it's your beginning. The world in which you walk today looks dramatically different from the world when I graduated. It also looks dramatically different from just 1 year ago. The world feels more divided than it ever did. There are more negative influences trying to encourage us to fear, hate, and reject our differences, to separate and isolate, rather than come together and care for each other with collective responsibility. You have the ability to change this. I genuinely believe everyone has a superpower inside of them. Find yours, nurture it, and use it wisely. Celebrate the things that make you unique. Don't you dare try to blend or fit in. Find some genuine cheerleaders, the people that know the true you, all of your hopes and all of your fears. They will support and advise you on life's journey. They will help pick you up when you fall and give you the wings and oxygen that you need to fly even higher. You might well be sitting with your cheerleaders today. You can find others in your new global family of more than 250,000 Portsmouth alumni, and that includes me. Tap into the wonderful connections, networks, and mentoring that this community opens up. And please, cheerlead others just as hard as they cheerlead you. Pay it forward. Be the change that you want to see. The world is yours for the taking, and it needs you now more than ever. But please, find your joy. And today, make sure that you celebrate, because you deserve it. Congratulations on becoming a University of Portsmouth graduate, class of 2025. I now declare this congregation closed. Please be upstanding for the academic procession.